Ah, it's raining, but it's my birthday. Why you rain so much? We were gonna go to a waterfall today, but here is the waterfall in our back garden.
So today we are getting sandwich hamburger. So I'm gonna go for tuna sandwich with French fried. What are you having?
Cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger with French fried. That sounds nice. Because it is James's birthday. Happy birthday to James. So we're having some comfort food.
Yes. This is like double the price we usually pay.
Look, 100 baht. It is as well. Having a decadent day. Okay, so I love ketchup and I cannot eat chips without ketchup, but there's no ketchup on the table. So I'm going to try and ask for some ketchup in Thai, which I think I found out on the internet is kun mi ketchup mai ha. So we'll try. Oh. Kun mi ketchup mai ha. I didn't need to ask, they just brought it.
What?
Disappointing.
This is confusing me. Upstairs. What?
Huh? Look! This is proper Thai food. And what is this?
It's a birthday burger. This is the first time we've not had like noodles or rice.
Oh, it's raining. So everyone's inside today. No one's at the beach.
Morning omelette.
Good morning, omelette. This is the morning omelette, and it's time to walk to a waterfall. If we make it alive.
I'm tired.
We're going.
So today, Lonely Beach has no power because of the big storm that happened.
There's no electricity anywhere.
Although that's playing, so don't know how that's happening.
LED.
LED music.
LED music. Anyway, we're going to try to walk to a waterfall today from Lonely Beach to Kai Bae, which is about 5k. But we have to walk on the main road. So that should be fun.
Let's see all the mopeds.
How that goes.
Let's see how that goes. We've been walking 5 minutes and look what's up there. You monkeys. Where are you going? Are you coming with us to the waterfall? They're power lines. Is that why we haven't got any power? Oh my god.
Welcome to Monkey Island.
Well, the monkeys are crazy.
The monkeys are crazy. Oh look.
Friendly monkeys.
Monkey owl. We're going to Monkey owl.
This hill doesn't look fun. I think the cars are struggling to get up this.
Oh god.
Even the motorbikes are struggling.
If all fails, we just go in there.
If all fails, let's just go to another beach. That better not be it.
Okay, there's one way to get fit in 100% humidity.
Great.
It's this.
And then we've got this like hairpin switchback to go.
Yes. Either very stupid or hardcore.
That one.
Me too.
Oh my god. Oh, I don't even think we're halfway. Look at these people. That's too easy. Too easy. We like blind corners. I think we found while the power's off.
Yeah, there's some sort of... I think they blew down, didn't they?
Yeah. So I guess they turned the power off.
Yes.
Although that's not connected to anything. So, yeah, that's mystery solved.
Oh wow.
It's a pretty nice view.
This is my island. Where's the room? Horn means blessing in Thai.
So it's not quite what you think.
Yeah.
Why? What did you think? Yeah, we're pretty high up now. So now we're going down again. Just to make the return journey hard. And here's the sea.
So we made it to Kai Bae. Here we are in the village of Kai Bae, and it only took an hour. We thought it would take longer. But now we're going to find the path to the waterfall, and apparently it's behind the 7-Eleven. Oh no, there are elephants. Oh, they look so sad. I'm sad. Ah, what is this? I think it might be a Thai eggplant. We'll have that in a Ganki Wan later. Going down a dirt path with a lone wolf on the prow. Hello, doggy. Don't have rabies, please. Into the world. Don't eat the berries. I think the waterfall's this way. There was a sign, so fingers crossed we'll find it. And hopefully it'll be going, because there was a big rainstorm yesterday. What if it's dried up? Look at this amazing butterfly. It's huge. Wow. Wow, you're beautiful. Ah, Kai Bae waterfall. It points this way. Oh, now we're crossing here. Unfortunately, this isn't a GoPro, so if we drop it, that's it.
Yeah, I think that was the wrong way. We're going to try carrying on.
This way.
We're using Maps.me for offline maps, which is awesome. And it doesn't say it's there, so let's try. I can hear water, that's a better sign.
Ooh.
That better not be it.
Through the jungle. Here we are, under the undergrowth. A wild James was spotted.
After a lot of climbing, a lot of bouldering, we find ourselves at a waterfall. And apparently you can swim in there.
Well, look at this. We made it here. We thought that was the pool. We're like, oh no, we're not swimming in that. But I think we could probably swim in this. That'd be nice. Right?
What's happening?
Oh no, I'm going swimming. I hope I don't die. Some sort of...
Looks pretty good.
It looks fine. It's not like stagnant, so I think we'll be alright.
It looks clear. Right, here we go. How warm is it?
It's quite nice after like a big walk, really. There's lots of water boatmen.
Water boatman. My name's...
Shall I do it?
How is it?
It's cold! It's good, but it's scary!
This is the trip of butterflies.
We made it out of the jungle! Hooray! Now hopefully we don't die of Legionnaires and it'll be fine. Stop, no entry. Oops. Hello little doggy. Hello big doggy. We're going past some villages now. Kokosnuss!
Coconut.
Well, we're at Kai Bae now. Here it is.
Well, I'd say Lonely Beach is better.
Whoa.
Whoa!
Spoiled now.
Our beach is better.
Our beach is the best on the island. After a long walk in the jungle, you need something refreshing. So we got crabby.
We also really like these.
We get them.
And now we must have feast of Krabby Crisps, some nuts, and
A toasty.
toasties.
7-Eleven. Well, that was a good day of waterfalls and monkeys and jungles.
If you enjoyed the video, as always, give a thumbs up, comment down there,
And subscribe.
and always enjoy the journey.
Bye.
And now we've got to go all the way back again.